Today we'll talk about how can you disable allow message and notifications on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go down, click on my Learning down here, and you come to this list here, click on your name and come to your profile. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down, you keep going down here. So then you click here on account settings and come to this list. You just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time. So you click on notifications and come to this list here. You click on messaging and come to this list. You come here to allow messaging notifications. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.